Just want to give you a little tour of my low voltage lighting setup for the restaurant. This new restaurant in Portola Valley that I did all the low voltage work at. So basically, we have a wine cellar down below me. I installed this machine, I built the wine cellar, I did the whole thing, and the low voltage. But I'll talk about the wine cellar another day. This conversation, or this video, is about the low voltage lighting for the wine cellar and the bar. So these are transformers, low voltage 24 volt transformers feeding super bright LED lights. And I actually installed these boxes in this MC here too. The electrician, who's a friend of mine, wired that up, but I helped him out because he was a little busy. So I installed these boxes, the MC, the transformers, all these service loops here. We have these power strips connected to Govee lights. So it's a mix of super bright LEDs and Govee lights. So everything's nicely labeled here, organized on the spacker board here, up in the attic space. So came out really clean. It's kind of tight back here, so it's kind of hard to show everything, but those are my Govee light transformers. And I basically extended the power supply. You cannot extend the control unit side of it, just the power supply side of it. So that's 16 gauge wire that runs to the bar where the controllers are. And again, these are just 24 volt transformers. The dimmers are up here. So we set all the dimming. We sort of balance the lighting at the in the wine cellar. And then we put one switch at the bar, because if you leave the control up to the employees, then, you know, somebody's changing it, another person's changing it, another person's doing this and that. So we just balance it ourselves, and so they just come in, flip one switch on, and the lights turn on, and that's it. So I think this is a much better system than giving them, you know, all these separate dimmers, and you'll see why once we go down to the wine cellar. So let's go ahead and jump down there real quick. So we got the wine cellar here. Actually, let's go on and turn the lights on here. So we got wine room here. Take a quick tour of the wine cellar. I'm gonna make a separate video on this, but I built all of this. So I got my super bright LEDs in Muzada from Amazon track LED channel. So we have our main display here. And we've got the lighting behind here. These are the Cobb LED series from Super Bright LEDs, and the color temperature is 2200 kelvins. So we got the main display, then we got these bottle displays in the front, the roof display, and this display here, which is not on, interestingly. Somehow the switch got turned off. I'll have to check that. But and then we have an under counter light, and also a light that I ran. If I can get underneath there and show that. There. So illuminates the bottles on the bottom, and yeah. And really quick, I want to show you the Govee lights. Well, there's a mix actually. There's actually two super bright LEDs here under the bar. See if I can get you that here, under here, right there. That's for the bartenders so they can see at night when they're working. And there's one underneath here too as well that runs the length. There, that's also for the staff. And then here's the Govee lights here. 3 of them here, and then one at the front of the bar here. Under here. So, and the transformers are hidden in these little cubbies right here. There's little cutouts. Those will be covered by bottles, so you won't see them. And the last transformers here. And of course, the Govee lights are all app-based, so you just turn them off and on with the app. And to turn on the work lights for the staff, it's this where is it? Bar under cabinet here, and that turns those on. And yeah, Very nice. And this light's actually 2700, so it's a little more of a white color temperature. Makes it easier for the bartenders to kind of see what they're doing. Not such an orange color. So anyways, yeah, it's a pretty simple setup, but it came out nice and clean, and we're happy with it. And if you like the content on my channel, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.